This is Dabu7. We now have talk of refrigerators potentially being used to spy on not just Americans, as we already knew, but now it seems that when the tables turn, the government all of a sudden is highly concerned. They're asking the question, is your refrigerator a national security risk? Now, for a lot of people out there that have a normal refrigerator, with none of the bells and whistles and high-tech crap, like most of us, you don't have to worry about this. But any of these newer model fridges that people get that do all kinds of crazy things, have sensors built in, that have computers built in, that can take pictures of inside your fridge, tell you when things are low. I mean, when it starts to get to that level and it has a built-in brain computer, then yes, it can be used to spy on things. It can be used to do a lot of different things. We've already discussed how Wi-Fi can be used to see through buildings. They can map out the inside structure. We've showed it with drones as well. Flying around an object or a building and mapping it with Wi-Fi and being able to see inside the building. Now, if they can tap into your router, if they can tap into your refrigerator, your new toaster, that's the same way, and they can triangulate off of all of them, it helps them to be able to better construct the image of what is going on inside the house. Add your TV to it, your cell phones, your iPad, your child's new toy that they just got that has something built into it that you didn't realize. And all these things are virtual spying devices within your home. Now, the government never seemed to care. They put out these little vague warnings, and they never really seemed to care about these things because it seemed like, they had access to tap into them too and to spy on you too. But now they're saying that if any of these things are being used by the government, that they're going to have to go through a lengthy trial and error type of deal to make sure that these things can't be hacked and be used to spy on people carrying on conversations in say, the kitchen of an FBI office or headquarters, where everyone's in the cafeteria and there's a fridge in there or something. You could be hearing everything. So they seem concerned about this. They also just put out a huge alert across the board about this Russian cybersecurity firm, Kaspersky. I think it's how you say it. It apparently is raising red flags. They think that they've been installing either malware or backdoor traps in all these computers, and this could go big time. But there's more information here at the link. I'll continue to talk about things like this as I hear more, but something to pay attention to here in terms of all the technology around us. You have to realize all these devices are spying on you, and I'm going to talk about this big time next time I go live. Dabu777 for Underground World News Live. Make sure you're subbed over there. Much love.